everyone, welcome to the channel The Happiness Monger. I am Shreya and I make travel vlogs and food vlogs in this channel. If you love travel and food, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it is absolutely free. So talking about food, we are going today at a very new place which is opened up in Chandmari, just near Kesri Chai Wala, which is called Thukpa, and also we are going to try the special dish. Let us not waste any time and hop into the video. So let's go. Our food and this is how it looks like. So we got some chicken special thukka and बहुत ही ज़्यादा delicious लग रही है. I kind of totally loved it. बहुत ही I feel it is so fulfilling. And also we have some one pieces of momo from different types. This is the Malai chicken momo, this is Szechuan momo, and this is the normal steam momo. You also get soup with the momo. So we shall start with the Malai momos. So the stuffing looks quite good and also बहुत सारे chicken लग रहा है मेरे को अंदर में. So let's eat it. Guys, the Malai momo was too good in comparison to any other Malai momos that I ever had in my life. इतनी soft है and chicken जो भी है इतनी stuffed chicken है and also I loved the quality of the momos. So let me try the soup and let's try. It is good. Coriander and lots of other spices है इधर. Spices जो भी है at par है. अगर आप देख सकते हो शेजवान मोमो काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्पाइसी लग रहा है. रेड चिली पाउडर है शायद से इधर एंड ऑल्सो देयर इज़ अ लॉट्स ऑफ अनियंस एंड रेड चिलीज. सो लेट मी हैव अ बाइट ऑफ इट एंड टेल यू हाउ इट इज. सो लेट्स ट्राई द शेजवान मोमो. So Szechuan momo could have been much better. I didn't like that because बहुत ज़्यादा spicy नहीं था. So I was expecting Szechuan momo कुछ ज़्यादा spicy होगा. But it was kind of good normal steam momo. So let's have it. It was good. I loved it. So guys, last but not the least item that we are going to try is the chicken special thukka, which is their speciality. So इनका रेस्टोरेंट का नाम ही है थुक्का. So अगर आप यहाँ पे आते हो और थुक्का ही ट्राई नहीं करते हो तो क्या ही ट्राई किया. So make sure you try their thukka. So let me first try it. First of all, let me tell you the price of it. The price of this huge bowl of thukka is 100 rupees only. Noodles, like the soup, and we have some veggies, is egg and chicken. This is the beauty of thukka. So the soup. This is good. This is good. I loved it. So guys, what is thukka if you're wondering? It is basically a soupy noodles which is mostly savored in hilly areas and also during the winters is the best dish to eat. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and also comment down if you ever visited this place or not, and if you did, what is your favorite dish that you order. So yes, let us know, and see you in the next vlog. Till then, tada, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay home.